Hi, my name is Dr. Chang from Blooming Dental and Implant Center, and I want to personally welcome you to our implant practice. We are a privately owned dental office started in New Jersey in 2018. We know that this was not an easy decision for you to make an appointment to make a change. You may feel that other dentists have given up on you and you've lost hope. We have met thousands of patients like you who have completed treatments with us, and when we ask what would you tell those who are thinking about getting this done, they say their only wish is that they would have done this sooner. I personally have had to replace my front tooth with an implant that was missing since I was young for many years, and I know the effect that missing teeth can have on confidence and what implants can do to change your life, and I believe we can do the same for you. When you come to your consultation, we will take pictures and 3D X-rays to assess your jawbone, your bite, your gums, and your smile. We will use an AI software to let you know what you could look like with a new smile. We will let you know what is possible and not possible with implants using the latest techniques available in dentistry. To save your time and maximize the time you have with us, please fill out all the new patient paperwork that will be sent to you by email before you come to your appointment. Please provide all your dental insurance information as well. If there's anyone who would be important in making the decision about doing implants, or anyone you would need to co-sign for financing, please consider bringing them with you. Please don't hesitate to reach out to us if you have any questions. We look forward to seeing you soon.